In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free trial for Shopify. You'll be able to access all of Shopify's features without having to pay for the full subscription price. This is the best deal going on right now being offered by Shopify, so let me show you how to get started. The first thing we are going to do is to open the first link down in the description below, which will take you to the Shopify's page. As you could see here, you are going to get a free trial for 3 days, plus an additional 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. So that's an amazing deal. Here you would just enter your email address, and then just click on Start Free Trial. Create a password, and then click on Create Shopify Account. And on this page, you would just give Shopify some information to set up your account. So where do you plan to sell? If you plan to sell online, you can select an online store. If you plan to sell in person at a retail store, that's what you would select. If you have an existing website or blog, you can add a buy button to your website. And if you plan to reach more customers on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, this is what you can select. And if you plan to sell on any online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon, this is what you will select. And after you're done, we can click Next. Which of these best describes you? If you're already selling online or in person, this is what you'll select. If you're just starting out, you can just click on I'm just starting and then click Next. And on this page, you would just select what do you plan to sell, whether it's products you buy and make yourself, digital products, dropshipping products, print-on-demand products, or services. And if you're not sure, no worries, you can always change this later. And for this example, I would just pick print-on-demand products and I would just click on Get Started. So here are the 3 plans that you could choose from. The basic plans for solopreneurs, the Shopify plan for small teams, and there's advanced plans as your business scales. All 3 plans are going to be $1 for the next 3 months and completely free for the next 3 days. You can view the plan details here to see the differences in the plans. And if you're someone just starting out, I would recommend you to go with the basic plan because you can always upgrade later as you grow. So for now, I will pick the basic plan. So we can click on this. So here we can just enter our credit or debit card information, or if you prefer, you can pay by PayPal. When you're done, you can just click on subscribe for $1. And on the next page, you can just enter your address and just click on save business address. And when you're done, you'll be taken to the Shopify's dashboard. So that is how you can get a free trial for Shopify. And if you want to see a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Shopify the right way, you can check out the next video.